Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on the AIPRM extension, where we will take you on a journey to unlock its full potential. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this tutorial will equip you with all the knowledge and skills you need to maximize your productivity and efficiency. Join us as we explore the key features, tips, and tricks of the AIPRM extension, making your life easier and your work more efficient. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials. What is the AIPRM extension? AIPRM, or Artificial Intelligence Powered Response Manager, is a Chrome extension that gives fans access to thousands of free engineered prompts specifically designed for OpenAI's ChatGPT. If you have ever used ChatGPT, you will know that sometimes it's hard to get the output you truly desire. Installing the AIPRM extension. To get started with the AIPRM extension, first, open your preferred web browser and head to the official AIPRM website, AIPRM.com. There you'll find a download or get the extension button. Click on it to initiate the installation process. For Mozilla Firefox users, you'll be directed to the Firefox add-ins page. Click on Add to Firefox and then Add to install the extension. Microsoft Edge users can find the AIPRM extension on the Microsoft Edge add-ins page. Click on Get and then Add extension to install it. Safari users can download the AIPRM extension from the official website directly. Follow the instructions on the website to complete the installation process. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome and then Add extension to install the AIPRM extension. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the AIPRM extension. Now let's set it up to suit your needs and preferences. Upon launching the AIPRM extension, you'll be guided through an onboarding process to set up your account. Provide the necessary details such as your name, email, and preferred password. It's a time to connect AIPRM and OpenAI. Click on Continue. Connect with OpenAI account. Finally, we connect AIPRM extension with OpenAI. Here you can see upgraded version of OpenAI with multiple features. You can use any tool. We will test any two tools. Let me test this tool. Write best article to rank in Google. Let's create an article on AIPRM extension. Here you can see you start writing beautiful article. Now let me test any YouTube tool. Let's test this one. YouTube script creator. Let's create on AIPRM extension. Here you can see an amazing results. You can try hundreds of tools according to your field. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.